Hi, this is Nasrin. Welcome to my today's video. Today I'm going to share with you guys one of my tea. This is special herbal tea, diet ginseng slim tea, 100% natural. This is one of great tea for weight loss, and this is also good for constipation. Who is really suffering from constipation, this is the tea is for you. This tea has a lot of benefit. It has a lot of antioxidants, so this tea detox the stomach. So this is the tea. The way I made the tea, I put the tea bag, one tea bag in the water. You can put hot water or cold water. I put cold water, so I'll let it stay 1 hour, then I will drink. So this tea is made from Korea. It's made of Korean ginseng leaf. This is the ginseng. This tea makes you lose weight fast. So I let it stay 1 hour. After 1 hour, I will just drink the water. Drink this water. Then after you drink, like after 3-4 hours, the action will start, and you have to go to many times to the bathroom to detox your stomach. Find out this is very healthy tea, and we all try to lose weight because we all love to eat, and eating is one of our entertainment. We can eat our food, but we have to burn our food, right? So we have to exercise, we have to go to gym. That's the way is healthy living. I'm taking this tea and I just got a lot of benefit, so I want to share with you guys. Whoever still don't know about this tea, definitely you should try. After 1 hour, it's been soaked, so my tea is ready. I'm going to drink this tea now. I don't add any honey, but if you like, you can add honey and try for yourself. If you try this tea and after you use, how you feel, and do you losing any weight, just you can leave the comment in the comments box. And thank you so much for watching today's video.